Welcome to 100's Jewelry. We understand how important it is to find the perfect fit when it comes to your precious rings. Today, we'll guide you through a simple and accurate method to measure your ring size at home. So, let's get started. First, gather the following materials: a piece of string or a thin strip of paper, a ruler or measuring tape, and a marker or a pen. Take the string or strip of paper and wrap it gently around the finger you want to measure. Ensure it's not too tight or too loose, just comfortable. Next, make a small mark on the string or paper at the point where it overlaps. Carefully remove the string or paper from your finger and lay it flat on a table. Using a ruler or measuring tape, measure the length from the starting end to the marked point. This measurement is the circumference of your finger. Now, take your measurement and compare it to our ring size chart, which you can find on our website. Match your measurement to the closest ring size number. Remember, the fit of your ring can vary based on the style and width of the ring. For thicker bands, you might want to go up a half size for a more comfortable fit. Now that you've mastered the art of measuring your ring size at home, you can confidently explore our exquisite collection of rings, custom-made to fit you perfectly. At 100's Jewelry, we're passionate about creating unforgettable moments with our timeless designs. Visit our website to discover our stunning collection, and don't hesitate to contact our friendly customer support if you need any assistance. Happy shopping!